Hi, welcome to this video in which I will show you how you can start to trade financial markets, specifically the Forex markets and CFDs on gold, silver and some indices and commodities, for instance. So maybe you have looked at trading sometimes, but you're not quite sure where to start. Well, in this video I will tell you what you have to think about, and from this video on you can start watching other videos that I'll be making in which I explain everything in more detail, and I will even show you my own personal strategy or a system that I trade, and I will guide you step by step. So this is the first video in a guide to help you get started trading mostly the Forex markets, but most of the principles are also applicable to other markets. So let's see what you need. Well, first of all, you need some money, of course. If you want to get started trading, there's no getting around it. Of course, you can start without any money, practicing on a practice account or on a demo account. And to do this you will also need a computer with an internet connection, and I do not recommend that you just trade from your mobile phone. That's at least for me that's not working. I know some people who do this but and are profitable, but in general the markets are just too complex to just trade from a mobile phone. Of course you will need a broker, so in one of the next videos I will have a look at some brokers that I use myself and that you can consider using. And of course you need a system. This system can be a technical system. That's mainly how I trade. I'm a technical trader, but you can also trade on a fundamental basis, so looking at news and things like that. As long as you have a system that you can test and that you can stick to some rules. It doesn't have to be very hard rules. You can be flexible with them, but you need to have something in place to guide you in your trading. And of course, if you want to play some charts on a broker, they usually provide you with some charting software. But it's also good to have some charts that are not linked to any broker, so you can be independent when looking at prices and making your decisions based on that. So I will show you some options that you have to find free charting packages, or sometimes paid, with some additional features that might be very handy. And of course you need time. You need to invest a lot of time reading books and looking at charts, or reading reports. If you maybe want to trade stocks, you need to look into price to book earning ratios and things like that for stocks. If you're into that, I'm not gonna explain this in this series. I'm gonna stick to the technicals and to the macro figures that impact the Forex market and the gold and silver markets, etc. And you need some guidance. You can trade on your own, and you can figure everything out by yourself. I have mostly done this, but I've also done a lot of paid courses online, which also offer communities that I'm part of now, and it's good to be able to communicate with other like-minded people who trade the same kind of system, so you can bounce ideas of each other and also have some fun while being a trader. So some guidance is very important. So if you want some guidance, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my weekly videos where I do some forecasts for the Forex markets mostly, and also for the crypto markets and metal markets, so gold and silver. So then you have some ideas of how I look at the market, and then you can maybe compare that with your own ideas and go from there. So subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content, and also to be updated of when I post new videos in this series, in where I guide you in getting started trading the FX and metal markets. Okay, thanks for watching, and you'll be seeing me soon in the next video. Bye for now.